Hey, yippee yahoo! Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna do some painting. Yes, the daughter and I are on a mission to get the house look even prettier by the time my wife gets back from her vacation time. So I went and bought a bunch of paint, and now the challenge is getting the kitchen all taken apart to paint the walls, ceiling, trim work, baseboards. We really should paint the radiator too to really spruce up this kitchen. And so, but if anybody's ever painted, you know it's a project. And so the before and the after of the kitchen project. So that's why I'm doing the video right now, because we're going to have a before and after, and it's just a lot of work. And I've done this so many years, and it's all about getting motivated, taking off the wall plates, getting all the pictures down, rearranging the furniture, and do we pick the right color? That's the real thing. Can you see the real color from what you are looking at now versus what it's going to look like? So there you are, the kid and I, on the Christmas spirit of getting the house look even prettier, and hopefully the wife approves of the work we do. So stay tuned.
Pick the color. It's called Spanish lace, and right when I picked it up, I knew it was perfect.
Yeah, so a little bit more of a yellowish color to it. If you can see that or not. You need a little bit more energy in here. Does it flow with the cabinets though? That's the thing. How about that there, huh? We're wiping down the walls. Get them all prepped and ready. So over here, we work on the trim work. We're going to have to like sand that or something.
You use a scraper and scrape it.
Right.
You have one in the barn.
Yep. And we got a true painter here. Do we have a true painter? The good news is we got a stick as well to do this. So you can always take that stick. Where'd the stick go? Right here. So you can always take the stick and work that wall a little differently. So here we are on the paint, the painting project as we're inhaling fumes and Clorox and bleh.
I love the smell of paint.
Nice. And slowly but surely, we're getting there, are we? Yeah. Anybody that's ever painted? A lot of work. Especially to do it right. Alrighty, so we're making progress, or are we? So, first coat is on. But I think my daughter forgot about that area over there. Did we wipe that down? I don't think we did. So you gotta back up. Let's wipe it down first. And wow. I got the roller for the ceiling. Kid's now on the second coat on the walls. We're making some progress here, but it's never simple painting. All the touch-up work kind of really starts to slow you down. And yippee yahoo! So you got two coats on the walls. You got a coat on the ceiling, coat and a half, kinda. And the kid, it's got a birthday party to go to, but I'm good. So we definitely need a third coat on the walls. Definitely need a second coat on the ceiling, and then we'll tack the trim work, and then we'll get this room knocked out. And if I can stay motivated, we'll keep moving to get this house cleaned up. Because so many years ago, I used to just really spend a lot of time taking care of this home, and I got so burned out of it. 20 plus years, and I just started riding motorcycles and having fun. So I hope everybody's having a blessed Sunday. And yeah, it's the painting adventures, and hopefully we can get this kitchen to look a little nicer and cleaner. When the wife gets home, she'll be really excited about the painting extravaganza that the kid and I accomplished. God bless. Have a great evening.